What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, we're going to be using this 10-ounce Silver Sunshine bar, which on the back has the Mint Mark SI security feature, and we're going to be taking the Sunshine Minting Inc. Graphic Security System Corporation's Mint Mark SI decoder lens, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how this thing works and why I personally believe this right here is the superior, ultimate, borderline perfect security feature anti-counterfeit device. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for a bunch of videos. Subscribe to my second channel for bonus videos. Get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. This right here is the limited edition DYDSS Christmas line. A portion of the proceeds are going directly to St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. So please get yourself a t-shirt or a hoodie and move fast because these are only available until Christmas. Let's raise some money for the children with cancer this year. Try out some G Fuel energy formula. Don't mind me, I forgot to take it out. Some G Fuel energy formula, $5 off your first order by clicking the link in the description. And of course, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. That's all you got to do. Download the app, fund your account, just toss a penny in there. That's all it takes. Right now, for the month of December, if you refer just one friend by December 18th, Webull is going to give you either $100 or $200, it's random, worth of free Apple stock, which you can then keep and hold on to, or you can sell and use the cash, the $100 or $200, to buy something you would rather have instead, like silver, for example. Webull link in the description. Everything is linked in the description. All right, so if you've been keeping up with the videos that I have been posting this month so far, it's double upload December. I'm posting 2 videos every single day, and I have several videos that I filmed yesterday. I brought everything that I needed for all the videos that I wanted to make, and guess what? I filmed about 18 or 19 videos yesterday. One problem: I forgot to bring the decoder lens with me. So I showed off the 10-ounce silver bar. I showed off my 5-ounce version of this same bar. I showed off some Silver Sunshine rounds, all of which had the security feature, and I couldn't do anything with it because I didn't have the decoder lens. But here we are one day later, I brought the decoder lens with me. So how this thing works is what you're gonna wanna do, and this decoder lens, you can get one for probably like $15 or so on any precious metal dealing website, I would imagine. Your local coin shop could probably get their hands on one for you. eBay. These things are easy to find. Get yourself one of these. It's about the size of a credit card. Keep it with you anytime you go to a coin shop or a coin show, or if you're going to be ordering or purchasing silver off of somebody. You can use this, or at least if it's a Sunshine product, you can use this to verify that it's a real, authentic piece of silver. Proof of authenticity, security feature, and I believe that it's superior. And I'll get into why I believe that is, but let's show off how exactly this thing works. So what you want to do is you want to face it like this. You want the security feature facing up. You can see just by looking at it, it's just a blank, flat silver circle. It says Mint Mark SI on it, but that's it. You angle it this way, nothing changes. Up, nothing changes. Down, nothing changes. Left, right, nothing changes. It's just flat silver in color. Until, of course, you take the decoder lens and you put it over top. See that right there? See, all of a sudden it reveals the word valid. That right there. Proof of authenticity. That right there is what I'm talking about. So when it comes to different security features, and by the way, if you angle the decoder lens the other way and put it over top, it'll reveal a sun design, which it's not as crystal clear as the word valid, but I'm pretty sure you can see. I'm looking at the screen right now, and you can tell that there's a sun shaped right there. So sun one way, Other angle, it reveals the word valid. This right here, proof of authenticity. You may have to, there we go, valid. So the reason I personally believe that this is a superior form of silver and also gold security, by the way, you can use this on gold sunshine products as well, as long as it has the Mint Mark SI security feature right there in the center of the back of the bar or round. And you have one of these little $15 or so decoder lenses, which you can obviously use forever. As long as you don't break it in half, this thing is usable. Now, the reason I think that this is the superior security feature, the anti-counterfeit technology, the proof of authenticity. There are so many security features out there. The American Silver Eagle, the new ones, have a missing reed. I don't know exactly how that's a security feature, but whatever. The new Britannias have that little hologram where if you angle it one way, it reveals a padlock. You angle it the other way, it's the trident symbol. I love that security feature. But my favorite thing about this security feature is it requires a third, almost like a third party. It requires something else, which is why I also like security features that you need a microscope to see. It's because you need to take another piece of equipment. In addition to just your eyes and in addition to just the piece of precious metal, you need to take an additional piece of equipment to verify whether or not it's real. I like that. That right there is what I'm talking about. And by the way, if you need a microscope or really any silver or gold stacking supplies, anti-tarnish paper, mint tubes, airtight tubes, the list goes on, I'll leave a bunch of Amazon affiliate links in the description. All the resources will be right there for you. But this right here, this is my favorite security feature out of all the pieces of silver and gold that I own, and I personally believe that it's superior. So that right there is how you use the decoder lens. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe. If you're new, subscribe to my second channel for bonus videos. Get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel in the biggest possible way. Remember, this right here, limited edition Christmas line going away on Christmas Day, so please move fast. A portion of the proceeds are going directly to St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. So please get yourself a t-shirt or a hoodie of this design. Let's raise some money for the children with cancer this year. Try out some G Fuel energy formula, $5 off your first order by clicking the link in the description. Sugar-free, low-calorie, packed with a whole bunch of vitamins, over 50 different flavors to choose from. Link in the description. And last but certainly not least, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. Download the app, toss even just a penny in there, and they're going to give you up to 12 free fractional shares just for doing so. And if you refer just one friend, one human being that you know, just click that little invite button right there, send it to one person. That's all it takes. And Webull's going to give you either $100 or $200 worth of free Apple stock, which you can keep and hold on to, or you can sell and use the cash to buy something you'd rather have instead, such as some silver or maybe a decoder lens. Webull link in the description. Everything is linked in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.